In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Google Sheets table to Google Docs. If you've been looking for an efficient way to integrate your spreadsheets into your documents, this method will streamline your workflow and ensure your data is neatly presented. So let's dive right in. First, we need to begin by opening up your Google Sheets spreadsheet. Locate the spreadsheet that contains the table you want to incorporate into your document. Once you have your spreadsheet open, the next thing you're going to do is select the cells containing your table. Make sure to carefully highlight the entire table, including all the rows and columns that are essential for your document integration. It's important to include all the data you want to carry over, so take a moment to double check that you've captured everything you need. Now that you've selected the necessary cells, it's time to copy the table. This can be done easily by using keyboard shortcuts. If you're using a Windows computer, simply press Ctrl and C at the same time. If you're on a Mac, you'll want to use Command and C. Alternatively, you can right-click on the highlighted section of your table and select the Copy option from the drop-down menu. This is a quick and straightforward way to ensure your selection is ready to be placed into your document. With your table successfully copied, let's move over to Google Docs. Open Google Docs and either create a new document or access an existing one where you want this table to appear. Once your document is ready, decide exactly where in the document you'd like your table to be placed. For instance, if you're compiling a report, you might have a heading at the top of your document. You could type something like Monthly Sales Report as your heading, and then position your cursor just below this to insert your table neatly beneath it. Now comes the final step, pasting the table into your document. Just like before, you have keyboard shortcuts to make this quick. On a Windows computer, press Ctrl and V simultaneously. On a Mac, go with Command and V. When you paste the table, Google Docs will prompt you with options on how you want to insert the table. You can choose to link it back to your Google Sheets, which will allow any updates in your spreadsheet to automatically reflect in your document. Or if you prefer, just paste it as static content without a link. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated your Google Sheets table into Google Docs, ensuring your document is both up-to-date and visually organized. This method is not only efficient, but helps in presenting data seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps make your data presentation